the introduction to the problems that we're going to do. Here's an example of a question that might start off, find the molar mass of barium nitrate. So to begin with, we have to gather what information that we have. So we know we have barium and we have nitrate, but we're not sure how the molecule is put together. So we look up barium on the periodic table and we find out that barium is in column 2. And it also tells you what the electric charge is, and it's a 2. So barium is a +2. It has 2 s valence electrons, and they're easy to get rid of. They get rid of those, and you have a net positive charge of 2. And when we look at the nitrate, we can look it up on the table I gave you, and go down to the bottom and find the anions, the list of anions, and look up nitrate, and you'll see NO3, and it has a negative. Just a negative all by itself means that it's a -1, but we don't put the ones in as a rule. So here's my ions, barium, comma, and the nitrate. I've got to put those together into a formula. So I do the old cross multiplication trick, and I take my 2 and cross it over here. So I need 2 nitrate atoms to balance 1 barium. So I'm going to rewrite my formula here. I have barium, nitrate, and there's 2, sub 2. So that's my atom, and that's my, not my atom, that's my molecule made of those 3 atoms, okay? So now I want to find the molar mass. And we're already familiar with the mass of atoms on the periodic table. So I just list the elements that are in the formula down a column so that I can go find the information that I need to do this. So I start off with barium, I put that on here, nitrogen goes next, and then oxygen, and that's all the atoms. And then I look to see how many of each I have. So barium, look at, I only have 1 barium, but look at the 2 on the outside here tells me I have 2 nitrogen, 2 times N, there's 2 nitrogen, and I have O3 inside the nitrate, and there's 2 of those, so I'm going to have a total of 6. So I list the 6 here next to the oxygen. Then I simply go to the periodic table and look up the AMU, or the atomic weight. And you know, if we put grams after the atomic weight, that'll give us the weight of 1 mole of that atom. So I take these and multiply them by the numbers that I have in there, and I see that barium stays the same, 137.33. I have 2 nitrogen atoms, so that's 2 times 14.01, I get 28.02. And I have 6 atoms of oxygen. Oxygen is 16, so 6 times 16 is 96. And these are all grams per mole. I add these up, and I get a total molar mass of 261.35 grams per mole of barium nitrate. That was pretty easy, huh? You should be able to do the first set of problems without any problem, without any trouble. Just done just like this. Good luck.